Hello everyone, I hope you are absolutely great. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable call recording option or change CSC in S24 Ultra. So all of the phone are similar step you have to follow. So as you can see, there's no any call recording option. You cannot record call. There's no option. Let me show you in settings as well. As you can see, there's no call recording option. Go swipe it down. As you can see, there is no call recording option. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, what you have to do is you have to enable ADB. For that command, you have to go settings. Then after that, you have to scroll down and you have to go about phone. As you can see, the last one, about phone. Then you have to go here software information. As you can see, software information. Then after that, you have to click over here build number 7 times. After that, it's enabled. Pop-up message came. As you can see, there has developer option, and after that you have to go down and enable USB debugging. As you can see, it's invisible. It's a security purpose, it's invisible. What you have to do is you have to go settings again, and you have to go security and privacy. Then you have to auto block. You have to turn off this option, auto block. Then after that you have to come again developer option and enable this USB debugging. As you can see, now it's visible. Now you can enable it. After enable, you can connect with computer, and after that it will ask for permission. Allow this USB debugging. You have to click over here always and just allow. Click over here and allow it. After that, let's go to computer and open SamFW tool. I already have downloaded in my computer. So if you don't have this tool, you can download it from description below. I will give that link description below. Then after that, you have, let me check ADB is enabled or not. As you can see, ADB is now properly enabled. If ADB is not enabled, your step is not gonna work. So after let me show you. Now came MTP mode and click over here MTP and change CSC. Once you click change CSC, you have to select here INS. INS means India, so it will work call recording option. So if your computer or your phone ask any permission, don't forget to give that permission, otherwise it won't work properly. So once it's done, your phone will restart. So once it's done, your phone going to restart automatically. So as you can see, your phone is restarting now. So you have to wait for a few minutes. As you can see, now it's turned on. Let me check now it's enabled or not. Go to your settings, call settings. As you can see, there should be call recording option. Is there? As you can see, call record option. You can enable auto call record, or if you don't want, you can disable it. So there is no call recording still yet. So you can disable or enable, it's your choice. Let me show you now. Let me call this number. Now receive the call. As you can see, they are showing auto call recording. As you can see or not, they are recording automatically. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you do, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. And if you need to contact with me directly, you can contact with me as well. So I'll try to help your problem. I'll try to fix your problem as well. So thank you for watching my videos.